In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a parent-teacher conference sign-up sheet using Google Forms, a powerful and user-friendly tool that can make organizing your conference events seamless and efficient. Whether you're a tech-savvy teacher or someone just getting started with digital organization, this guide will help you set everything up with ease. Let's begin by opening up your web browser and heading over to Google Forms. You can do this by simply typing Google Forms into your search engine and clicking the first link. Once you're on the main page of Google Forms, you'll see a few options. You'll want to select a blank form to start from scratch so that every detail meets your specific needs. Now that you have your blank form, let's give it a title that clearly reflects its purpose, something like Parent-Teacher Conference Sign-Up. This title will appear at the top of the form and help parents understand exactly what they're filling out. The next step is to start adding questions to your form. Click on the area that says Untitled Question to rename it. Here, you can enter something like Parent's Name to gather essential information. From the drop-down menu, choose Short Answer to allow for a simple text response. This will ensure you capture the right information concisely. Continue adding questions by clicking the plus sign on the right-hand side. A crucial question to include would be preferred time slot. You might want to select multiple choice here to provide parents with different time slots they can choose from. This will make it easier for you to manage and organize the appointments. Consider adding a section for any additional information parents might need to provide. This could be a note or comment section where they can add anything specific they want to discuss during the conference. Again, using a paragraph option will allow them to write free text responses, offering them more space to express their thoughts. Once you have all your questions and sections set up, it's beneficial to preview your form. Simply click the eye icon at the top right corner to see how it looks from a respondent's point of view. Check for readability and make sure everything flows naturally. When you're satisfied with your form, it's time to send it out. Click on the Send button, which lets you share the form via email or a direct link. You might also want to consider generating a QR code if you're planning to print this invitation out. This will allow parents to access the form effortlessly with their smartphones. Finally, remember to regularly check your Google Forms for responses. Head to the Responses tab at the top of your form. This tab will give you a comprehensive overview of who has signed up and what time slots are most popular. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to create and manage your sign-up sheet effectively. Happy organizing!